We'd had a good morning. I can't remember exactly what we did in the morning, but it was good. And we were feeling very confident, and we were joking. Yeah, that's right. I was using the bike, and we had the GoPro on the back of the bike, and we were laughing and having a good time and cracking jokes, and repartee was good.
Things have taken a bit of a dark turn, I'll be honest. I am completely f***ing lost. Why is this happening? I'm not making this up, by the way. This is not some elaborate setup. This is real life disaster. Oh look, here's a little animal track. I'm going to actually follow this and see where it leads me.
He should have gone that way, but he's gone that way. And there's nowhere to go. It's just a mountain.
So basically I'm mountaineering now, as you can see. This is where I am. That's kind of where I want to be, down the there.
So I knew by this time that he was totally going in the wrong direction. It's starting to get twilight and cold. And I thought, he's going to perish in the bloody mountaintop because it's huge, huge mountain just and going nowhere.
Well, the good news is I found a river. The bad news is it's f***ing wide. I might have to swim it. It's the only way. I mean, I can swim. It's not a problem. It's just pretty horrible. Oh, I don't know what to do. I can see the road, but I can't get to it. This can sound melodramatic, but I'm recording this in case something does happen to me. It's now 8 o'clock. Got about half an hour of sunlight left, and I'm wandering through the world's biggest farm. My dad's no doubt panicking. He's probably sent out the mountain rescue by now, or the police. Oh, look, there's a sunset. It's nice, but I just want to find civilization. I've been on my feet apart from lunch for 12 hours. No, 11 hours. I'm knackered. I don't know how many miles I've done. There's no way to calculate it. Oh, what's happening here? Don't tell me this is the river again. What's this? Oh, excellent. It's a tributary of the river, which is also wide and fast flowing. Oh, there's the road. This is the river. Right. The bubbles mean that it's not that deep, he says. Hopefully. But what about my stuff? I mean, if that's up to my neck, I guess I hold all this shit above my head. What else have I got? There's nothing in there that could be damaged. Okay, I'm going to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. It's cold. No, it's quite fast flowing. But the good news is, You I've beaten you. Okay, midges. Right. You f***er. You